PlayStation 5, it's here. How's it going, guys? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. In this channel you can find a lot of tech reviews, tips to grow YouTube channel. PlayStation 5 is here, super excited. And let's talk about the PlayStation 5 for a little bit. I know many people was waiting the new PlayStation. PlayStation 4 was released in 2013, so now it's time for upgrade. Many gamers will be happy, which, to be honest, it's a new design. Okay, so what we know so far. As you can see on the video, the PlayStation 5, the design is pretty good. If I'm honest with you, many people are disappointed, I think, and some people are super happy. I think the hardware looks pretty good for me. But the memes already start, unfortunately, or maybe for luck for some people. Some of my friends already sent me a couple of memes. I'll show you in this video later on. But let's talk about the PS5. What we know. So there's gonna be two models. It's gonna be the first model is gonna be with disc, obviously, and the second model is gonna be a digital. So I don't know. I think it's a good choice to see what is gonna be the difference, because many people probably go with the disc or maybe the digital. We don't have price yet confirmed, but I will show you something in the video. When I Google in UK the price, we have a price which I don't know if this price is right for some reason. When I Google the price for PS5, it shows the price, as you can see, which I don't know if this is right. But probably they're gonna release the price after a couple of months or maybe weeks, we don't know. I think many people are not happy because there's no black version, but I think this is gonna be like a limited edition, so they always do that. They wanna announce maybe the limited edition after 6 months or something. But what we know, so two versions, digital and the disc version. Also they announced the new controller, which I'm super happy. I think looks pretty good. Also they announced headphones, also new digital, well, let's say digital camera for the PS5 as well. The design looks pretty interesting, to be honest. I don't know, what do you think? Different, but the memes already start. Let me show you the first one, which I'm super happy to show you. As you can see, this one here, I got the PS5. I know in UK we say router or router, I don't know. Router sounds like a router for some reason, which as you can see, that's why I'm kind of happy, but not so much. And the second meme is, yeah, it looks like coffee machine, which I think it's funny. But the last one is pretty interesting, actually. Yeah, see, look like a vacuum cleaner. But yeah, let's get serious now. The PS5 is gonna be good. I hope they don't mess up with the price, because the price is very important. Because if you put a huge price, obviously in the beginning, which I think the price is gonna be quite high in the beginning. Obviously, they always do that, and after 6 months, the price is going down. My advice is don't get it immediately. Just wait a couple of months, because obviously the price is gonna be expensive. When I Google the price, it says in the States it's gonna be $499, which maybe this is gonna be for the digital version, who knows. And in UK it's gonna be $449. I don't know if this is confirmed yet, if this is gonna be the price here in UK or in the States, but I think if the price is $449 UK and $499 in the States, I think this is gonna be great price. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you like the design? Are you planning to get the PS5 on the launch date when they release it? Let me know. Yeah, this is for today's video. like I said, my opinion already, I kind of like it, but we'll see what's gonna happen now. So yeah, this is Stefan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and like it for the future cool videos like this one. And I'm going to sign now. See you next time.